Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So first of all, the first step is of course buying Bitcoin. You need to have some Bitcoin in your Cash App. Open your Cash App on your device and click on the Bitcoin icon and go for the buy now button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and confirm the transaction. The next step is transferring Bitcoin. Now that you have the Bitcoin in your Cash App, you can send it to another wallet. You just need to navigate to the Cash App payment pad and tap the USD toggle and select your Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send and tap pay button. The next step is entering recipient details. You will need to enter your recipient details. This could be their cash tag, phone number, or email address. Make sure to double check these details to avoid any mistakes. At the end, confirming the transaction. Once you have entered the recipient details, tap pay to confirm the transaction and you have successfully transferred Bitcoin from your Cash App to another wallet. So that's the whole process of how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App.